Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I did this more festive hairstyle that I would probably wear the next days for New Year's Eve. These are the tools we need, and I'm starting with spraying some water to tame my flyaways. Then I'm going to make a middle parting. And I am taking away the hair until over the ear. On both sides. Using some clips to hold them away. And then I'm going to take the crown hair from that part line to the back of my head. Let's see if you can see me. Comb that through, smooth the top out. And I'm using a bit thicker hair tie, like I showed you at the very beginning when I showed you the materials, because that gives later a bit extra volume to my hairstyle. This I'm going to clip away because we will work on it later. This is the first ponytail. In total we are going to make 3 ponytails. Now I grab the hair right behind my ear, again to the back of my head. Make sure no hair from down is tangling in the middle. Another hair tie, and make the second ponytail right under the first one. And I'm clipping this away together with the first one. And now I take the rest of my hair looking for a hair tie. And here you are, 1, 2, 3 ponytails. This is how we start the style. Now we're taking the front sections. I was parting them at the beginning to be able to make a neat middle parting. That means for me that I cannot join it to the first ponytail. I take some tiny hair ties, some tiny elastics. I smooth everything out and I comb it to the middle, to the second ponytail. There I attach it with a little hair tie, first my left side and then my right side. Like this, the top hair is not moving and I assure that my middle parting stays in a whole day. Now I'm taking the right hand side and again attaching it to the second ponytail with a tiny hair tie. Now I start to braid a Dutch braid, so take 3 strands, bring the outer strand under the middle strand and braid the whole ponytail from the top down until the end. When you reach the end, just take a tiny elastic to secure the braid. Now I take some hairspray, because I'm going to make the braid wider by pulling out the outer edges. This is called pancaking. Don't ask me why, but I love to do it. My hair is not that thick like my daughter's hair, and like this I get much more volume. I'm doing the same thing now with the second ponytail. Split it into 3 equal strands and do a Dutch braid. Dutch braid is always when you braid under. And here you see me pulling the outer edges to make the braid wider. Last one, third ponytail goes into a Dutch braid, again bringing always the strand from the outer side under the middle strand, and when you have that, hairspray and pulling edges. Now we're going to turn this braid around its base, around the base from the ponytail, and we are creating 3 little buns. I don't want this to look perfect or super neat because I like it when it's a bit boho, messy, whatever. So don't put the biggest effort in making it neat. You see, not even the braid is very equal because it should look just more looser and a bit wild. Take enough bobby pins to pin everything into place. This is the second one. And then with the third one, make sure that you close the gap between the first and the second one, because otherwise it would look a bit awkward. Again, bobby pins. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Put everything in place. Secure with enough pins so that it won't loosen up during the night. Now I'm taking a wax stick, so it's just wax in a bar to tame my flyaways, and I'm taking this little chain of pearls, split it in the middle, and the middle I'm going to fix on the top of my updo. And now you just go around like in movements of an infinity sign or of an 8 around the buns. Wrap it around, and I'm just wrapping it around from the right to the left and from the left to the right with the first half, and the second half I bring over the little buns like this. I have it a bit more visible, and that's what I wanted to accomplish. The whole chain is also put into place with bobby pins, and this is the final result. What do you think? Leave me comments down below how you like it, if you would wear it, for which occasion you would do this updo, and if you have any suggestion for a new hairstyle or any request, just leave it down below in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and see you back soon. Bye bye.